So in this video we'll see how to use voiceover in CapCut. So voiceover is the feature which can be used to record your voice on existing video. So here I have one video clip. If I play it, you can see there is no voice in it. So to add voice, from where you want to add voice, like in my case, if I wanted to voice from here, you can see, then our cursor should be there and it will start recording from that point. Then the next is we have to select the clip and then click on this icon, which is the mic icon here. You can see this. If I click on it, now one pop-up is came here, which is you can see here, and now it start recording my voice. It's not start recording my voice, but as I speaking, it's showing how loudly I'm speaking. And from here I can select my microphone. There are some microphone connected which is inbuilt, like this one. Plus we can adjust the volume from here, like how loudly we want. So because my microphone is not that much clear before, so that's why I'm using little bit loud, and later on I can make it less as well after recording, but I don't want my recording to be in the less voice. Here I can select echo reduction and mute project, enhance voice, like these kind of options. Now I'm just selecting enhance voice option, and once I hit this recording button, then you can see in the timeline the voice will be start recording. So now I'm going to hit the recording button. So this video you can see a car moving on the street and it stopped on the red light. As the signal opened green, the car started moving again. And this video is recorded with drone. So this is how we can do voiceover in CapCut. I will pause here. And now you can see in the timeline here, this voice is started and it's ended here as I pause. So what I will do, I will just click on this clip. First I have to close this one, and then I will move this clip to the start. Wherever we want, we can adjust it accordingly. And if I play it now, so this video you can see a car moving on the street and it stopped on the red light. As the signal opened green, the car started moving again. And this video is recorded with drone. So this is how we can do voiceover in CapCut. I will pause here. So yes, this is how we can record a voiceover. And after recording this voice, you can see now, like this voice, because I selected high volume recording, like when I click on it, and here I selected 140. So that's why the voice here you can see here. If I click on this option, if I play it, so this is how we can do voiceover in CapCut. That's why it's showing the red, but we can adjust this. Like if I selected the voice file, and this is the voice file option, like volume dB. If I reduce this one, see the loudness from this clip is gone.